Hey guys, my today's recipe is all about my childhood memories. I have grown up by eating these puff pastry rolls, which are also known as cream rolls. Cream rolls are made by puff pastry dough, which is basically a French dough. You can use this dough for sweet as well as savory dishes. Hi, welcome to Belly Timber House. First of all, let's prepare the dough. Here, I'm using half cup of all-purpose flour or maida. In that, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Now using some cold water, I'm making a soft dough. Once you make the dough, let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put some flour on your workstation and flatten the dough using a rolling pin. Now here I have 5 tablespoons of soft butter. I know it's a lot of butter, but puff pastry is all about butter and flour. Take about 1 tablespoon of butter and spread all over the dough. After spreading the butter, just fold the dough like shown in the video. Now wrap the dough in a cling wrap or a foil and keep it in the freezer for 20 minutes. While the dough is in the freezer, let's prepare the cream for cream rolls. Take half cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now whisk it until stiff peaks. Our cream is ready. Keep it in the fridge. It has been 20 minutes now. Take the dough out from the freezer, remove the cling wrap, put some flour on your workstation and again flatten it. You have to be patient because the dough will be hard, so it might be difficult to flatten it. After flattening it, again spread about 1 tablespoon of soft butter all over the dough and fold it like we did before. Wrap it in a cling wrap and keep it in the freezer for another 20 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare the molds for cream rolls. If you have aluminium molds, you can skip this step. Since I don't have the mold, so I'm making my own using foil paper. Fold the foil paper like a cylinder. I'm making about 4 foil rolls for my cream rolls. After 20 minutes, take out the dough and again flatten it. Spread the butter and fold it. Keep it in the freezer for another 20 minutes. Do this process 4 times. It's a bit time consuming process, but trust me guys, you won't regret after eating this. Now after folding it 4 times, flatten the dough for the 5th time and cut vertical or horizontal strips. Strips will be about 1.5 cm wide. Once you cut the strips, fold the strips on the foil rolls one by one. Do the same for all the foil rolls. Keep these rolls in a greased baking tray and brush them with some butter. Keep them in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake them until they become slightly brown in color. Look at that! Don't they look lovely? They are baked perfectly. Now let them cool down completely. Once they have completely cooled down, carefully pull the foil paper. You have to be careful because I ended up with some broken rolls, so I would suggest you guys to be very careful. Fill the prepared cream using a piping bag. Our cream rolls or puff pastry rolls are ready to enjoy. Hope you liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up and share your experience with me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now and click on the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.